everyone, Zach Pigoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 15-3 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 15-3 work together. In the last video, I read over the 15-3 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 15-3 work together, where we will be preparing a statement of stockholders' equity. So the instructions say, use the worksheet and income statement for Interstate Tires Incorporated from Work Together 15-2. A form for the statement of stockholders' equity is given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Number 1, prepare a statement of stockholders' equity for the current year. As of January 1st, Interstate Tires Incorporated had issued 100,000 shares of capital stock with a par value of $1 per share. During the fiscal year, the corporation issued 10,000 additional shares of capital stock. Save your work to complete Work Together 15-4. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 15-3 Work Together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 15-3 Work Together, in which we will be preparing a statement of stockholders' equity. Alright, so that is the end of the 15-3 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 15-4 text. Okay, thank you.